Hello viewers, here is a Banvil, or what's now EnviroFan 36-inch industrial ceiling fan. This is the box it comes in, just a very plain box with no branding or anything on it. It's a very small box too. I've wanted one of these for a very long time. I've had a fascination with them ever since I was very young because one of the local grocery stores had a bunch of these. And I thought they were really cool. And, well, that makes more sense. This is the box they come in. The ones at the grocery store were, 56 or 60-inch, whatever, and I discovered that this size existed, and I wanted to put one of these in the bedroom for a long time, and it just never happened. And I don't know, for whatever reason, I just decided now was the time to get one. So this is model 136F. This box is also pretty plain, but at least it says what's inside there. Doesn't really have any information. I wonder if this is made in China. It doesn't explicitly say it anywhere. Let's take a look inside and see what we have. Okay, so inside the box we have some documentation. This is a warranty card. Those appear to be only, oh no, those are for gold lines. That's what this is. This is a gold line. It's the J-hook mount. I'm hoping this doesn't have a receptacle on the end because it's going to make it much more difficult to install upstairs. I don't know, this manual was like malfunctioning here. I don't know what is going on. Usually paper works pretty good. This is an oddity. Well, I don't think that really says anything that we don't already know, so that's fine. Okay, next we have a piece of broken styrofoam. And then we have the fan itself. Oh good, it doesn't have hello brain, it doesn't have the receptacle. It would appear as though this could be a reversing model. Hey, that's pretty cool. It came with the electrical box version, as well as the regular non-electrical box mount, whatever it's called. I purchased one of these years ago from EnviroFan just for other purposes, so that's cool. It's got the logo on there, which I always thought was neat. 2019 February, so this is a newer one. Bearings are perfectly silent, as they should be. The bottom of it. It's pretty heavy. very good quality. It certainly feels like it's very good quality. They got a U-Haul listing on there. Blade should be 10 feet from the floor. Well, that's too bad. They're not going to be. Well, now I'm intrigued because I didn't think this was a reversible model. Red is reverse. Huh. Fascinating. So it is in fact a reversible model. I was not expecting that. I thought the one with the R at the end was the reversible one. And here's the blades. Very small blades. And they don't have a whole lot of pitch to them. It's pretty shallow pitch. I'll try to hold this just about flat. Well, no point in trying when I can just, you know, put it on the table here and then show it that way. It's pretty shallow, so this must go quite fast. I believe these claim to move 12,000 CFM, which is pretty impressive for a 36-inch fan. So that's a wide blade, though. I'll give it that much. Alright, so that's that. Slip this back in here for now. I won't be getting to this today. Maybe tomorrow I'll do this. So that's cool. What's this? Oh, yet another style of mounting. What that's for. That's nice that they include all the different brackets you can use. Alright, well, that's all we're going to do for this video. I don't have time tonight to hang it up anymore. I'm getting late. So, I'm going to put this away until tomorrow, and then we'll do another video. Hang it up. I guess I'll hang that first here in the studio, because I gotta find out if it's gonna be like too loud or something to use upstairs. And I'm thinking I'll put this in the computer room, and if I really like it, maybe I'll get a second one for the bedroom and we'll do a dual install. That's kind of going overboard, but sometimes you gotta go overboard. I bought a couple controls that we're going to try and use. They are 4-speed controls, and so we'll see if this gives a good speed or not. It should be easy to kind of hook this up just as a trial down here. I can't use the regular wiring that's there, but I can just rig something up real quick for the test and see how the speed is. I do have a variable control, which is here. I have this. The problem with this is that it tends to make noise. So maybe I'll use this. Maybe I'll try it with this, because this would be my preference, is to use it with this so that I could slow it down really low. But if it's really noisy on the slowest speeds, then it's not any use to me. It's got to be quiet. And at least with these controls, these are capacitor based, so it would be quiet. I could also make my own control, make my own capacitor control using values that I select, but that's getting kind of complicated. I'm not sure I want to deal with that for this particular scenario, but we'll see. So here it is, the EnviroFan 136F, and it looks like it's going to be a very good fan.